How to record audio in Google AI Studio? Follow this step. To begin with, open your preferred browser on your phone. Then tap on the search bar and type Google AI Studio and search for it. After that, click on the official link from the search result. If you are not already logged in, make sure to log in using your Google account. Once you are in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Record Audio. Now tap the Start Recording button. Here, speak your question or message clearly. Before sending, you will have the option to listen to your recording. If it doesn't sound right, you can choose to record it again. However, if you think the audio is good to go, tap on the Add to Prompt. Finally, hit the Send button to submit your audio-based prompt. And just like that, you will receive a response from the AI, and that's it. This is how to record audio in Google AI Studio.